For making a portable oxygen machine at home, all you need is a DC power source like a portable single-phase inverter welding machine, or you can also use a 24-volt battery charger. One plastic box, preferably 20 liters, 2 pipes, 1 oxygen mask, 2 utensil scrubbers, 2 wires of different colors, 2 bolts with 2 nuts extra, 2 corks, 1 stainless steel rod, preferably like a wire, sodium hydroxide, 1 araldite, 1 baking soda box, and 3 bottles. Take 3 1-liter bottles, cut 2 bottles from the bottom and cut the neck from 1 bottle. So totally we need 3 bottles. Make 5 holes, 1 for the oxygen power source, 1 for the oxygen outlet, 1 for the hydrogen outlet, 1 for the filling the water inside the tub, and 1 for the power source of the hydrogen. Install the cork this way. Take a nut bolt, make a hook like this, connect the negative charge, and this is your hydrogen side. For oxygen side, make the same hook, connect the power source down. This power source will be positive power source, and put the utensil cleaner like this. Insert the nut bolt inside the bottle. Make few holes and face it towards each other. Insert the oxygen and insert the hydrogen through the holes. Fill water and ensure that the bolt is completely immersed into the water. Connect the DC power positive for oxygen. Connect the negative for hydrogen. Make sure the yellow stands for hydrogen and the red stands for oxygen. Take 50 grams of sodium hydroxide and fill the water up in the glass. Dissolve the sodium hydroxide completely into water and mix with the water in the tank. Connect the power source and look for oxygen bubbles. The bubbles in oxygen will be lesser than the ones in the hydrogen. This is because it is H2O, 2 molecular atoms of hydrogen and 1 molecular atom of oxygen. Our oxygen generator machine is now complete. Separate the hydrogen and leave it outside in the atmosphere. If you see the water level going below the bolts, fill the water level again to the maximum limit. Make sure the water is always there in the tub. If it goes below the minimum limit, close the power source. Keep filling the water level if you see the water level is going down. The water level should always be above the bolt. If you see the water level going down, fill it back to maximum. Now I'll tell you something which you don't want to do. Never put your hands in the electrolyte solution. Second, if you are using the generator indoor, make sure that the hydrogen line is connected outside. The hydrogen is a highly explosive gas. You do not want to keep it in the room. Our oxygen generator is now ready for use.